Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in gaming technology. In today's video, we have an exciting countdown of the top 5 best handheld game consoles that every gamer needs to know about. These portable powerhouses offer an immersive gaming experience on the go, with stunning graphics, innovative features, and a vast library of games to choose from. Whether you're a nostalgic gamer or a modern enthusiast, these handheld consoles will keep you entertained for hours. So sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the world of gaming in the palm of your hand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest gaming content. Get ready to level up your handheld gaming experience with our top 5 picks. Number 1, XEMU, 1X Player Mini. XEMU, 1X Player Mini is a versatile handheld PC and video game console that offers a compact and portable gaming experience. Powered by the 11th core Tiger Lake i7-1195G7 processor, it delivers impressive performance and efficiency for both gaming and productivity tasks. With a spacious 1TB storage capacity, it provides ample space to store your games, files, and media. The console features a 7-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, ensuring vibrant visuals and crisp details. Running on the Windows 11 operating system, the 1X Player Mini offers a familiar and user-friendly interface, allowing you to enjoy a wide range of applications and games. With 16 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth multitasking and lag-free gaming experiences. The device serves as both a portable gaming console and a mini pocket tablet PC, providing versatility for various tasks and entertainment needs. The XEMU, 1X Player Mini supports a wide range of video game titles, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games on the go. It offers a comfortable and ergonomic design, ensuring hours of enjoyable gameplay. The console is equipped with built-in speakers and supports external headphones for immersive audio experiences. Its portable nature allows you to game anytime, anywhere. Whether you're a casual gamer or a gaming enthusiast, the XEMU, 1X Player Mini offers a convenient and powerful solution for portable gaming and productivity. Its compact size, powerful hardware, and make an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile handheld gaming console. Number 2, Daxori Win 600. Daxori Win 600 video handheld PC game console is a compact and feature-rich gaming device that offers a unique gaming experience. Running on the Windows 10 operating system, it provides access to a vast library of games and applications. With 8 GB DDR4 RAM and a 256 GB M2 SSD, it offers fast and reliable performance for gaming and multitasking. The console is equipped with an AMD Athlon Silver 3050E processor, which ensures smooth gameplay and efficient operation. The 5.94-inch OCA full lamination IPS screen delivers vibrant visuals and sharp details, enhancing your gaming experience. The handheld design allows you to game on the go, providing convenience and portability. Daxori Win 600 supports Steam OS, enabling you to access and play a wide range of games from the Steam platform. With the powerful hardware and storage capacity, you can install and enjoy your favorite games without limitations. Additionally, the console features built-in speakers for immersive audio and supports external headphones for a more personalized gaming experience. The device is designed for comfortable gaming sessions, with well-placed controls and an ergonomic design. Daxori Win 600 video handheld PC game console is an ideal choice for gaming enthusiasts who want a portable gaming device with the power of a PC. Whether you're at home or on the move, this console provides a convenient and immersive gaming experience. Its compact size, powerful hardware, and support for Steam OS make it a versatile gaming device for gamers of all levels. Number 3, ivdbs, RG405M. The RG405M retro handheld game is a stylish and nostalgic gaming device that offers a wide selection of classic games. Built with an aluminum alloy body, it provides durability and a premium feel. Running on Android 12, it comes with a built-in 128 GB TF card loaded with 3,172 games, ensuring hours of entertainment. Featuring a 4-inch IPS touchscreen, The RG405M delivers vibrant visuals and responsive controls for an immersive gaming experience. Whether you're traveling or simply want to relive your favorite retro games, this handheld device provides a convenient and enjoyable gaming experience. Its extensive game library, touch screen controls, and support for wireless upgrades make it a versatile choice for retro gaming enthusiasts. Number 4. Inao Air Pro. Inao Air Pro is an innovative handheld PC game console that provides an immersive gaming experience. It features a 5.5-inch OLED touchscreen, delivering stunning visuals and responsive touch controls. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5560U processor, it offers impressive performance for gaming and productivity tasks. With 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 512 GB storage capacity, the Inao Air Pro provides ample memory and storage for your games, files, and multimedia. Running on the Windows 11 operating system, it offers a user-friendly interface and access to a wide range of applications. The Inao Air Pro is designed for portability, allowing you to game on the go. Its sleek polar black design adds a touch of elegance, and the handheld console is built with quality and durability in mind. With its combination of power, versatility, and a responsive touchscreen, it offers a fantastic gaming experience for gamers of all levels. Number 5. Logitech Handheld Gaming. The Logitech G Cloud handheld portable gaming console is a versatile gaming device that offers an exceptional gaming experience. With its long battery life, you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions on the go. The console features a 7-inch 1080p touchscreen, providing crisp visuals and responsive touch controls for an immersive gaming experience. Designed with a lightweight and ergonomic design, the Logitech G Cloud is comfortable to hold and easy to carry. It allows you to play games from Xbox Cloud Gaming, giving you access to a vast library of Xbox games on demand. Additionally, it supports NVIDIA GeForce Now, enabling you to stream and play PC games in the cloud. With access to Google Play, the Logitech G Cloud offers a wide range of games and apps, allowing you to customize your gaming experience. The console is powered by a powerful processor and equipped with ample storage to handle demanding games and applications. Whether you're a casual gamer or a gaming enthusiast, the Logitech G Cloud handheld portable gaming console offers a convenient and immersive gaming solution. Its long battery life, high-definition touchscreen, lightweight design, and compatibility with popular gaming platforms make it an excellent choice for gaming on the go. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.